Hey buddies! Ever paused mid-bite into a kiwi and wondered, how the heck did this tiny fuzzy ball travel halfway across the planet just to land on my plate? If that thought never crossed your mind, you've been sleeping on one of the coolest underdog stories in modern farming. Sure, kiwis don't get the spotlight like apples or bananas, but this little brown, hairy hero deserves its flowers. It's cultivated on massive vine trellises, shipped by the millions of tons, and pampered in futuristic factories like Fruit Royalty. So what's the real deal behind the 4.5 million tons harvested every year? How do farmers pull it off, and what happens once the fruit leaves the vine? Buckle up for a story packed with sweat, smart tech, and a whole lot of emerald and gold magic. Plus, we'll toss in some juicy trivia and cool cultural nuggets along the way, because even fruit deserves a little stardust, right? Meet the kiwi vine, the drama queen of plants. Kiwis grow on vines that act like they're training for the plant Olympics, sprawling everywhere, climbing trellises, and sunbathing like they're permanently on vacation. These vines are super picky. They want hot summers, cold winters, and just the right amount of chill hours. Total divas of the plant kingdom, the big three producers: China, New Zealand, and Italy. Shout out to the supporting cast: Iran, Greece, and Chile. China is the undisputed champ, cranking out over half the world's supply, more than 2.3 million tons a year. New Zealand may be small, but it dominates the premium game, shipping golden and green beauties to every corner of the planet. The delicate dance of kiwi picking. Picking kiwis isn't a shake the tree and collect kind of gig. It's more like defusing a bomb made of sugar. Timing is everything. Farmers whip out a refractometer to check sugar levels, called bricks. Only when the sweetness hits the sweet spot do they give the green light. Pick too early. Congratulations, you just made mouth-puckering lemon 2.0. Almost everything is still done by hand. Workers gently twist each kiwi off the vine, cradling it like it's made of glass to avoid even the tiniest bruise on that delicate skin. Then they nestle them into soft bins. Think first-class seating for fruit. In places like Italy and China, harvest season turns into a beautifully coordinated operation. Entire crews move through the rows in perfect sync, filling bins faster than you can say fuzzy fruit. Hand-picking means only the ripest kiwis make the cut. Anything underripe gets left on the vine with a polite, "See you next week," while damaged ones are sorted out on the spot. Once the bins are full, they're whisked to collection points, loaded onto trucks, and sent straight to the packing houses. No detours, no drama. On smaller or traditional farms, hand harvesting is also a love letter to sustainability. It keeps local jobs alive, strengthens the farmer's bond with the land, and protects the soil for generations. Enter the robots. The future is here. Now the cool kids are showing up, robotic harvesters. Cameras, sensors, AI brains, the works. They scan for perfect ripeness, then soft robotic fingers pluck kiwis with ninja-level gentleness. They work 24/7, never complain about back pain, and can clear massive fields in record time. Farming just leveled up. The fruit still rides in those cushy crates, hops on trucks, and heads to the factory, like it just got upgraded to business class. Factory glow-up, kiwis red carpet moment. Next stop, the packing house, where our fuzzy friend is about to get the full celebrity makeover. Want me to keep going? The best and shiniest part is still ahead. Sparkles. Once the kiwis arrive at the factory, they're in for a serious glow-up, a transformation that would make even the most luxurious spa jealous. Step 1. The spa treatment for kiwis. Every great makeover begins with a solid cleansing routine. The kiwi's first stop is the washing station, affectionately dubbed the spa. Conveyor belts whisk the fruits through water jets and soft brushes. Imagine a high-pressure car wash, but gentler and designed for fruit. This washes away stubborn dirt, dust, or leaves from the vineyard, dry cleaning. Next comes dry cleaning, a crucial step to keep the fruit fresh and presentable without compromising its delicate skin. Soft rotating brushes and high-powered air jets gently remove any remaining debris. This minimizes moisture retention, which could lead to spoilage, and reduces the risk of mold. By keeping kiwis dry, factories ensure they stay in top condition longer and meet strict hygiene standards. Step 2. Sorting. The Kiwi Selection Olympics. Now clean and fresh, kiwis face the judges. Lasers, cameras, and advanced sensors scan each fruit with diamond-level precision, evaluating size, weight, color, and quality. The flawless ones, the crème de la crème, are destined for supermarket shelves. Perfectly shaped, firm, and unblemished, they're ready to be admired by shoppers. The average Joes, slightly smaller or less visually perfect, don't go to waste. They're sent to become delicious juice, jams, or other processed products. Nothing goes to waste in the kiwi factory. Every fruit finds its purpose. Step 3. Packing. Packing is practically an art form. Each kiwi is carefully placed in trays designed to cradle the fruit and prevent bruising. The trays are neatly arranged in boxes with labels showing variety, origin, weight, and a barcode. These boxes may travel thousands of miles, so every detail matters. Kiwi's global impact. More than just a fruit, kiwi isn't just a tasty treat, it's an economic powerhouse and cultural icon. The global industry generates billions of dollars annually. In countries like New Zealand, kiwi exports are a major economic contributor, supporting farmers and creating jobs in processing, transportation, and marketing. In New Zealand, kiwi is a symbol of national pride. Across the globe, kiwi has found a place in everyday meals and gourmet dishes. It's a nutritional superstar, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Some studies suggest it can improve digestion and boost heart health. Plus, it's a great low-calorie snack. The kiwi's journey from farm to factory is nothing short of impressive. What starts as a humble, slightly scruffy fruit ends up clean, sorted, and perfectly packed, ready to bring joy worldwide. So the next time you bite into a kiwi or sip kiwi juice, remember the incredible effort behind its glow-up. Give a little nod of appreciation to the farmers, workers, and high-tech machines that made it all possible. That's the story of the kiwi. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye.